How's it going? Just a quick update with the Parisienne. Just washed it, but did some custom upholstery, I'll call it. It just needed the door arms done. Headliner was sagging, so we got that. You know. I just, going through it, detailing it up, making it fresh, smells clean. Got the back pad, but it's almost finished product here. Just button it all up. Trying to make a few things accent each other with it. We got sub box 2, APs, but yeah, that's it for now. Just gave it a nice wash, keep it nice and clean. It's gonna need paint, but like, to be honest, I'm just gonna keep it nice and patina. Like, this is all original. It's been painted once, you could tell, but like, where do you find that, So I like it, I enjoy it. And we got the 305 4-barrel, little air modification, alarm system. Yeah.